Have you ever wanted to build something 3 feet tall in minifigure scale that stands out in your collection or at a LEGO show? Then you don't want to miss this. I'm your host, RVB from RVB Brick Builds, LEGO fan for over 30 plus years, but in the past few years really diving into MOC building, and today I have something truly special for you, or at least I think so, my very own LEGO apartment MOC. Pictures don't do the height of this in full justice, you really need to see it in person. But let's take a minute, hopefully you get inspired, and come and join me on my stop motion build of this MOC and let me know what you're building next. This apartment MOC is crafted from about 1,700 pieces. I use a unique palette of olive green, reddish brown, dark orange, and gold pieces to bring this creation to life. This stemmed from my love of the LEGO Icons Haunted House, the olive green and brown combo. Then I added my favorite color orange, then topped it with gold to try to make it look fancy, I hope. This LEGO apartment MOC stands about 3 feet tall, has 9 floors, and topped off by a luxurious penthouse. And the best part? It's all built to minifigure scale. I wanted to do this to be able to eventually build out the interior details, but kept the exterior only for the initial build to understand the stability better, and had a vision for what it would look like on a display for a couple shows I'm doing later on this year, rather than for playability. I only stopped at 9 floors because, like most LEGO Builder problems, I ran out of pieces I owned. Womp womp. With that being said, this is towering about 3 feet high at 2.8 feet, and I believe this LEGO creation is sure to make a statement in any display or scene that you create. While not entirely a LEGO modular design, I honestly wasn't thinking about that when I was building it. Once all the pieces are connected, floor by floor, it's built strong enough to transport as one big building if needed. Though, it was definitely a pain to separate the floors without it fully breaking, so I do suggest building it in the modular form, and we'll use this technique in future builds for sure. While I love how this came out, I'm opening to adding even more detail on the exterior to make it truly stand out and not look so flat in some places. What would you add to the exterior of this apartment complex to make it pop a little bit more? And do you have any ideas for the interior? I mean, 9 floors is a lot of ideas to come up with, but I would love to hear from you. And there you have it, LEGO Builders. I'm your host, RVB, and this was my very own LEGO apartment MOC. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I love building this in real life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click that like button, subscribe for more LEGO content, and leave comments below on what else I could add or do better. I'd love to hear from all of you, and who knows, maybe your suggestion will be in a future video. LEGO creativity and inspiration is my outlet, and I hope to inspire all of you. Keep on bricking, fellow LEGO fans, and see you at the next build.